So I want to make a very important announcement today. That is Doon School Srinagar, under the aegis of WILMOT Foundation Netherlands, is proudly announcing its first international branch in Dubai. I am thankful to media fraternity, parents, my teachers, my students, by and large my Kashmiri community. Without their support, उनके support के बगैर ये शायद मुमकिन ही नहीं था. उनकी दुआओं के बगैर शायद ये ख्वाब मुमकिन नहीं था. तो मैं यही दोहराना चाहता हूँ कि पहली बार ऐसी हमने एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे एक अपने स्कूल को लेकर खड़ा कर लिया, जहाँ की हम एक इंटरनेशनल कनेक्शंस होंगे, इंटरनेशनल एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम्स होंगे, हमारे बच्चे एक्सपोज होंगे फॉर डिफरेंट cultures are there, different food is there, and Dubai is the only country where we have connections of Africa, Europe and Asia. 132 countries together make Dubai. It's a place where all these cultures are together. तो उसको इसलिए हमने दुबई का इंतखाब कर लिया, so that our students will get a chance to interact with the Dubai people, not only Emiratis families, but the students of different caste, color, creed, because as you know, Dubai is a hub where multicultural, multidimensional families reside. तो ये एक सपना था, ये एक ख्वाब था, जो बहुत पहले मैंने सोचा था कि जब कभी भी मौका मिले दून स्कूल श्रीनगर का ब्रांच ज़रूर बैरूनी मुल्क खड़ा कर लूँगा, और वही मैंने कर लिया. That is Dubai. And this is the only one branch we are having. Only one branch in. एक तो हमारा Doon School है, for the confusion of the parents and the public. We have Doon School Srinagar, HMT, and one branch in Dubai, UAE, which will be launching in December formally.
Shukran sir, why Dubai?
Yes. It's a very important question you said. Dubai means, as I already told you, that it's a multicultural. You can access so many. I have two kids. My son and daughter is studying there in Dubai. They are studying in the universities. They have an opportunity to study in the best University of London, Hertford. They are studying. My son is studying in Middlesex University. So Dubai is a place where you have all the facility, every university, even our Indian university is also in Dubai. So if you go Dubai, it is about your choice whether you chose American, any countries, every country's university is there. It's a hub, multicultural dimension. Our students will, the most important thing is that our teachers will get exposed to the Dubai culture. Students from Dubai will come. When we have it's natural when we have our own branch, the students from Dubai will come, they will see the rich culture of our Kashmir, the cuisine of Kashmir. They will become the brand ambassador. Our students will be going to Dubai now. They will be interacting not only with the Emiratis families, they will be interacting with London, Paris, France. As I told you, all 120 countries, more than 122 countries are there in Dubai. Their families stay in. So my students will get an opportunity to interact with every part of the world. The world has become a globe now. So we should give this opportunity to all. Not only that, the students, not only students, my teachers, they will be going there. They will be interacting there. They will be learning there. And they will be coming here with the next level of system. So our focus is always quality education. This quality we are here to do this, and in Dubai also. Focus is on. Where focus is not different focus. We have only one focus, that is quality education, whether in Dubai or whether in Srinagar. This will give another feather to our cap having a Dubai. It doesn't mean that our main campus, it has given the more prestige to our original brand. Doon School Srinagar got more compliments by having, because this Dubai branch will be the part of Doon School Srinagar under the WILMOT Foundation. बहुत अच्छा सवाल किया आपने, आउट मेरे दिल की बात कही. देखिए, दून इज़ अ वैली. दून इज़ अ वैली, जैसे कश्मीर वैली है, एज ए दून वैली है. सो एज ए दून वी आर नॉट एफिलेटेड विद एनी part in Kashmir or Jammu Kashmir UT, neither in any part in India. I would like to clear each and every person over here if there is confusion. Doon School Srinagar has only one branch, that is in Dubai, now starting in Dubai. We don't have any affiliation with the schools who are having the similar name. Be it Baramulla, be it Kupwara, be it any part of this J&K. We don't have any association with any of the school, neither here, neither within India. We are connected with Netherlands.